Wetting tiles before breaking them out can significantly reduce airborne dust during floor tile removal. When removing ceramic or porcelain tiles, start by sweeping loose debris, then mop the surface with clean water to create a damp, not soaked layer. This reduces dust generation without making the substrate dangerously slippery. Use a fine mist sprayer or pump-up garden sprayer during active demolition to keep dust down while avoiding pooling that can hide trip hazards or increase slipping. Work in short bursts so water does not accumulate, and immediately squeegee or mop away excess liquid after each segment of work to maintain a safe walking surface and reduce the electrical hazard around power tools. Cover electrical outlets and keep cords elevated or away from wet zones, and use ground fault circuit interrupter protected tools to minimize electrocution risk. Consider battery-powered breakers and cordless tools where practical. Wear a properly fitted N95 equivalent respirator when dust control is incomplete, and use safety glasses, gloves, and knee protection because wet surfaces can make handling tools less sure. Finally, plan ventilation so moist air exits and does not condense on cooler surfaces where it could create additional slip risks. Common mistakes include oversaturating the floor, which creates large puddles that increase slip and electrocution risk, so keep water application light and mop up standing water immediately. Another frequent error is relying only on wetting without respiratory protection. Even damp materials can emit respirable dust, so always use a fitted particulate respirator during cutting or heavy hammering. A third issue is allowing water to reach wiring or power tools. Maintain dry cord paths, use ground fault circuit interrupter protection, and prefer battery-powered equipment when water cannot be fully controlled. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and compare them on project types and reviews so we can plan safe, effective tile removal. We also help contractors find work and join our active discussion community where we share practical tips on wetting strategies, safety practices, and tool choices.